Good morning.
Good morning, Madam Chair and members of the committee. My name is Karen Apple. I am an Assistant Attorney General. I appear and speak today on behalf of the Attorney General's Office. I speak in opposition of the bill, and thank you for the opportunity. Today, despite the fact that the passage of a dozen or so medical state-based marijuana laws, marijuana remains illegal under federal law. It remains illegal for doctors to prescribe it to their patients, and it remains illegal for pharmacies to sell it. This bill is really a stealth drug legalization initiative that has come before the New Hampshire legislature before many times. Simply put, marijuana is not a medicine by any modern scientific standard. If this bill is passed, it will undo 90 years of progress in the field of modern pharmaceutical science. If this bill is passed into law, the state will be taking on the awesome responsibility of essentially vouching for a substance that is untested and unproven. And which may likely be proven unsafe. The 6 plants permitted by the bill can produce a minimum of up to 6 to 30 pounds of marijuana per year.
Just a question on your yield per plant. Your 30 pounds for 6 plants or 1 plant?
It's one pound per, so for 6 plants it would be 6 to 30 pounds. It depends how the drug is grown, that whether or not it's indoors, how it's harvested, how how well the person knows how to be a gardener or how to grow the plant. So it can vary.
These yield amounts are different that we've heard in testimony. Is there an official grower's site?
I don't know. You might want to ask someone else about that, but I don't know if it's an official site for that. Those estimates are wide. Obviously, 6 to 30 is a great.
Well, 4 ounces to 30 pounds is a lot. Okay.
Clearly, if this bill is passed into law, it will only fuel the growing, largely unregulated, multi-million-dollar criminal enterprise that's currently operating and sweeping our country under the guise of medical marijuana, and which is the result of state-based medical marijuana initiatives like House Bill 648.